Welcome to the internship program. I am Shubham Gupta from NextGen AI Frameworks Private Limited. I have 14 years of work experience in the fields of artificial intelligence, software development, and robotics. In today's session, we will be creating email spam detection model. Whenever you look for email on Gmail or any other service, you must have seen one category called spam emails. So how they know which emails are spam and which are not? They use machine learning models like this. I have already created the article. You can see session 7 article. So this is the article. I will go step by step and tell you the basics of AI and ML, how you can train the model and use that model anywhere in your other or in other projects, how you can use this model. So from supervised learning, I will be creating email spam detection project. So what supervised learning means, it involves training a model on labeled data where correct output is provided. So what this means, I will show you in a moment. I already have set up this project on my computer. So this is the output. So what you need to do is just give the text, email text, and then run this Python project, and you will see that this will tell you it is spam or not. So it will show the output in the terminal if this email text is spam or not. So I will build this model step by step. Before creating this project, I want to know if any of you have doubt related to previous sessions. You can ask. Yesterday I told you how to deploy the model. Any doubts previous sessions? So if you don't have any doubt related to previous sessions, then I will create this new project, Python project. So I will create this supervised learning project. So I will first run this project and show you the output. So the training the model and running this program will take time, because I told you machine learning algorithms will take time. It depends upon your hardware. So this is the output spam, and I will tell you how you can read the classification report and also how you can calculate the accuracy and what is this natural language toolkit and what is dataset. Everything I will go step by step and tell you how to use this project to detect spam emails. This is supervised learning project. So in this guide, we will walk you through the process of building a supervised learning project to detect spam emails using naive Bayes algorithm. Naive Bayes algorithm. I will tell you what this algorithm is all about and how you can use it. So if you one thing, if you want to just run this project, go for this complete code. Just copy this code and the data set that I will tell you, and you will be able to run this project. And I will tell you what data set is. So what I did here is just create a virtual environment. That's it. So if you want, I can start from absolute basic. So I will show you this is internship folder, supervised learning. Here I will create new folder, email spam, for example machine learning. So I am giving this or creating this folder. Next thing is right click it, show more options, open with code. So we have now this basic project setup. Next thing is to create a virtual environment. So setting up the virtual environment is really easy. Just run this command. Then activate the virtual environment using this command. we are now inside virtual environment now. So the next thing is to upgrade pip package manager for Python. So we have now basic project setup here with virtual environment. So let's move on to next step. So this was the very basic step, creating a virtual environment. Next thing is this dataset. What is dataset? I will tell you. Okay, so dataset is a collection of data that is typically organized in a structured format and used for analysis, training machine learning models, or solving specific problems. Dataset can come in various formats such as CSV, Excel file, databases, text files, or even collection of images or sound. Again, in simple words, what dataset is? Collection of data. That's it. Collection of data. Why you need this data? To train the machine learning model, so that you don't have to write the code yourself for each and every condition. Computer can understand all the logic behind your code using machine learning model, and to create a machine learning model you need a data set, large data, collection of data. I will tell you how you can download the spam assassin corpus data. I think added the link somewhere in the article. So spam assassin dataset, and this is the link. So these are all the data available, and I will tell you the difference between spam and ham. First I will show you how this dataset looks like. So just click on this. First I will copy this folder, then just click on this third one, then save it in new folder, data sets. So I am storing this first data set spam, and then the second one is ham. Again I will repeat, what I did is just download the data set already available on spam assassin website, and these two are the files you want to download, spam and ham. Next thing what I will tell you is how to extract this dataset. So what you can do is, just if you have a 7-zip or WinRAR installed on your system, you can just right click and extract this. So I am using 7-zip for now. If you use 7-zip, then you have to extract it 2 times. See, I will show you. This is first time, it will create this .tar, then second time 7-zip extract here. Now we have a folder containing all the files. So I will delete this one and this one because I don't need now. And the next thing is ham data. Right click, extract, right click, extract. If you are using 7-zip, you have to extract it 2 times. So now we have data sets available here, and in a moment I will tell you what ham means and spam means. I have mentioned everything in the article, so I will close this link. So let's see. Yeah, here's the link. Spam assassin public corpus dataset download. You can click on this link, spam assassin public corpus, and it will open this. So I will change the color for the links for the future sessions, but this is the link you will be looking for. You can download these two. So next thing, so what is spam assassin public corpus? Well-known dataset containing spam and ham emails categorized into different folders. So we have 2 different folders if you see, and I will show you the contents also. So if you open this file with notepad, this is the content. And for easy ham, if I open any file, so this is the email data. They have extracted the email data, so from to CC subject. So this is the data for the email. So this is what this data set contains. How to use it: download the individual archive, spam and ham, and use them. And I told you already what data set is. So now I will not make anything complex. Let's see. Yeah, one thing you should know is what are labels. Label means output. Label means output of the program. So for example, in this program, what we were getting as output, let's say this one. So what we were getting as output was spam. So you will call it a label. See, this is the outcome you are trying to predict. In supervised machine learning, the label is the actual result or output, such as spam or not spam in a spam detection task. So you call the outputs labels here in machine learning, or target variable. You will find this written in the code. So this means for the output. So your data set can contain a different type of data: numerical data, example age, price, etc., category data, text data, image or sound data. So the data set we are using right now is text data because it contains email bodies and everything. So this is text data. So the next thing is what you want to know is types of data set. So what we are using is training data set. So it contains both input and output. So this is training data set because we already have defined in the data set that this is these are good emails, ham, and spam is bad emails. So let's see. Yeah, I have mentioned here the difference between spam and ham. Okay, so you want to know about data set again. I will tell you. Any other question? So after spam and ham, I will tell you about the data set again. So what spam means is unwanted emails. You must have seen in the Gmail or any other mail the column or option for spam emails. What it means is these spam emails are often for advertising, phishing, or malicious purposes. So these are bad emails. It includes promotion for products or services, deceptive offers, personal information, asking for personal information. So the purpose of spam is to persuade recipients to take an action such as clicking a link, downloading malware, buying a product like this. So this is what spam is. Now what is ham? Ham refers to legitimate wanted emails. So you want these emails in your inbox. These are not spam. So if you receive OTP in your inbox, that is you want those email in your inbox. So those will be called ham. So ham emails are typically from people or organizations with whom you have relationship and the content is relevant. They can be personal message, business emails, newsletters, or any emails that aren't spam. So these are genuine emails. So these are some examples. Meeting at 3 p.m. Amazon order has been shipped, something like this. So these are the differences. You can view this table. So repeat the data set. I will again show you how to download the data set and what data set is in simple words again. So this is how you can click on this link and download these two files for the data sets. After the download, you can extract the data set. In datasets folder, create one new folder, datasets, and extract this spam and ham and data look like this. And why you need these datasets? To train your model. Why you need to train model? This is what machine learning is all about. You don't have to write too much code or logical operation in your code, machine learning will automatically do the things. So this is what we are trying to do. We are training a machine learning model, and for the machine learning model you need data, and this is the data, training data. So it contains this these are the ham emails. You can say them as good emails. So these are good emails, and similarly in spam we have a bad emails. So these are bad emails. So this is what dataset is all about. I hope you are now clear. Any other question regarding dataset, spam or ham? How to download the dataset? In next session I will continue making this project. See you in next session. Have a nice day.